Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm making peanut butter cups, and yes, but instead of using peanut butter, guys, I'm using cashew butter, but you can use whatever nut butter you like. And I'm using these chocolate. I'm using the normal. Yes, I was gonna use the darker one, but when I went to Holland & Barrett, they were sold out. So I said, let me try this one and see if it's gonna do the same thing, right? So I'm gonna take you along with me, guys. Over here I got my cases ready for my chocolate and everything. So you will see how I made these cashew butter cups as I go along, right? And I'm not gonna bake them or anything like that. This is a no bake cashew butter cups. Yes, so but you see the process, guys, right? So let's jump straight into the video. All right, so you see me got my bowl already. So I've got my stove on with some water in the pot, so I'm gonna take you along with me over there. But yeah, so let me go and break up the chocolate them and put them in this glass bowl. Guys, I don't know how much I'm gonna get from it, but let's see how much we're gonna get, right? Whatever, how much we get. So yeah, I'm just gonna break them up and put them in there. Make sure your hands clean, guys. Right, show your hands clean. You can use the darker chocolate. As I said, I did want to use the darker one, but yeah, I never get none. So yeah, so as you can see, it's all broken. So we're gonna go over to the stove now. So now, guys, I've got my pot on. I've got my bowl on top. I've got a small amount of water, not a lot. Let me show you. And you don't want to fill the pot up because you don't want your chocolate to burn, right? You want to melt it. But if you don't want to do it on the stove top, you can do it in the microwave. But for me personally, I don't use microwave. I've used a microwave over 17 years, guys. So yeah, I've just do everything on the stove. So that's how I'm gonna melt my chocolate on the stove. And you can see it start to melt, guys, because the steam from the pot is just what's gonna melt the chocolate, right? So yes, so we're just gonna allow that to melt down for a bit, and then I'll show you as soon as it's melted. So guys, the chocolate is all melted. Oops, it's a bit hot. Don't touch it with your hands, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead now, guys, and I'm gonna add some cooking oil. It's less than a spoon of cooking oil in there. I can use my hands because I do it for myself. And then I'm gonna melt that in. The cooking oil in. You can go ahead and melt it, but I just put it in there so it's gradually melt. Same with the chocolate. Can't wait to try these. So when I'm ready to put them in the cases, guys, then I'll get back to you, right? So my chocolate is all melted, guys, as you can see. So we're gonna go and we're gonna pop these in. So let's take you along with me. So I've got my cases here, guys, ready for my chocolate to pour in, and I got about 18. I don't know if I'm gonna get the amount, but let's try. So I'm just gonna put like a teaspoon in each case. Is just a teaspoon. So we're just gonna put a teaspoon in each, right? Yep. I want to make sure they all even. This is a vegan, guys, no egg. no gluten, no milk. So I'm just putting a teaspoon in each. Just like 10 grams or so, something like that. Yeah. I can't wait to try it. Then we're gonna pop it in the freezer for about 5 to 6 minutes. So it depends how high your freezer is, so they get to get hard, right? Yes. I don't know if I'm gonna get that amount, but whatever we get, be satisfied. Just let's see. So we're gonna fill this up, guys, then we come back, right? So guys, we get 17 from those 2 bars, right? So now we're gonna pop them in the freezer before we add the rest of the ingredients in, because I need them to set, right? So yeah, we're just gonna pop them in the freezer to set for about 5 to 6 minutes, and then yeah, so I'll see you then. So guys, now that the chocolate is all set, then I'm gonna put the cashew butter in the middle, and I'm just gonna put a small amount. I'm not gonna use, because I'm still gonna add a next layer of chocolate, so I'm just gonna put it in the center, just in the center, just like that. All right. The cashew butter is a bit soft, guys, so yeah, me have to use me finger. And I'm gonna top it with some almond nut. Yeah, just, I'm not gonna add a lot in there, just in the middle. Some of them got no fan, so, but yeah, the more the merrier. That's all right. So I'm gonna finish the rest, guys, off camera. So when I'm gonna put the next layer of chocolate, then I'll come back. And I'm gonna top it with some almond nut. Yeah, just, I'm not gonna add a lot in there, just in the middle. Some of them got no fan, so, but yeah, the more the merrier. That's all right. So I'm gonna finish the rest, guys, off camera. So when I'm gonna put the next layer of chocolate, then I'll come back. So guys, here you have it, cashew butter cups topped with some crunchy almond. It is so delicious, so nice. It's got the cashew butter in the middle. Oh my god, guys, I taste one and it's really good. Really good. I just took them out, so you know, but guys, I have to keep them in the freezer or in the fridge because they will start to melt, because remember there's coconut oil in the chocolate. So yeah, please bear in mind, keep them in the fridge. I still got some leftovers. This is not all of it. I just put a few on the plate to show you what it looks like. Yes guys, so Yeah, you can make this for your family. You know, if you got kids, it's a little treat. If you have sweet tooth, want chocolate, no egg, no dairy, no milk, it's vegan. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Please turn your post notification bell on so whenever I upload, you won't miss the video. Wanna go and big up on yourself, guys. I'm soon in my next video. Until then, wanna take care, eat healthy, stay safe. Until then, guys, thanks for watching. Bye.